Us with your word, Lord. Open our hearts and our minds that we may be touched with your word, Lord. Praise and thank you, Panginoon, for the trials and difficulties that we all encounter as it shapes us, and refines us, and transforms us into you. Praise and thank you for all the many blessings. Truly, you can have generous. We embrace you, our God.
Karoon ng ganitong opportunity para po magpasalamat sa Angkop, especially po sa community natin na nagbigay po ng blessing sa katulad po naming mga mahihirap na gusto pong makapag-aral.
So my name is May Buwan Gonzalo, Angkop scholar, currently 4th year college taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Nilook forward ko po talaga yung moment na to, this opportunity to share in front of you our sponsors and donors, no, na magpasalamat.
Deep in our heart, gusto namin makatulong. So what we did, Cheryl and I, we asked all our classmates dito sa US and friends na kung gusto man tumulong. Lalo-lalo na, kakilala nila si Brother Pee-wee and mahal na mahal nila yan. So we got their support. Also, we believe that it's time for us to share our blessing to others, especially sa mga bata na kailangan